So first things first, we're actually going to turn our battery switches on, which is here in the side panel. Next, going to give it some time to get some voltage to the systems in the boat. And then the next step is to put power to your Yamaha system. So that's this button here on the bottom right hand side. It gives you power to your Yamaha motors, and from that point forward you can press the start button and it'll start both your motors. A common mistake that we hear from customers if their boat is not starting is if the lanyard is not attached to your boat. So it needs to be attached properly here in this spot, and this is a kill switch lanyard. When that is removed from there, the motors are supposed to be killed and they don't have the ability to start. The next big thing is to make sure your throttles are in neutral. If your throttles are not in neutral, the motors will not start. So we need to make sure the boat is in neutral. Last but not least, very important, your voltage. A lot of our newer boats these days have a lot of systems on board and a lot of electrical systems. Voltage is very important. You want to make sure your batteries are ranging anywhere between 11 and 12 volts to make sure we can start those motors properly. And then as they are running, we want those batteries to be showing more than 12 volts to make sure the batteries are charging through the system. So as long as all of those things check out, your motor should start and you should be ready to enjoy the day out on the water. Thanks for watching.